Welcome guys to Dueldice. It seems all the systems are back today. We'll be able to play Dueldice. So I'm starting with the code. The slower you go, the further you will get. Why am I saying this? Because I think guys we should drop back the daily percent again from 5% to 2%. I remember we started with 10 and then we dropped to 5. I think again we should drop to 2, and I think we'll agree guys. You saw what almost happened last time. We almost lost there, almost lost everything. So I think if we drop it to 2%, it should be much easier. Okay, so 2% of 3,000, it should be 60 rands for today. So with your permission guys, let's drop it to 2%. That is our daily profit. Okay, 60 rands per day, that is 1.8 a month. Okay, so it's still some good money rather than just losing everything. Okay, so let's begin today. Okay, I'm gonna start with blue. I'm going to drop this again from 23 rands. Let me see, to 11 rands. Yes, let's start like this, to 11 rands. So okay, I think this will be much safer. So we played blue more than 3.5. Best that. Let's double up. Blue less than 3.5. Let's see. Yes. Blue less than 3.5. All right. Let's see. We played blue less than 3.5. Okay. This is our first win. Oh, we should end the day with something around 3,090 rands. Somewhere around that. Let's go back to 11 rands. Say blue less than again. Okay, it is dating automatically, which is a good thing. The amount there, which is a good thing. We're able to see clearly what's going on or what's happening. Okay, we went for blue less than again, and okay, blue less than. All right, 3,047 rands. Blue less than 3.5 again. Dice pips. Okay, should we be starting with 11 rands though? Okay, we'll check just now. Blue less than, that's another win. All right, what I want to check is this 10 rand we're starting with. 11 rand we're starting with. So we make a profit of 9 rands. So I think we should aim to make at least a profit of 10 rands. Yes. So I'm going to update to 12 rands, so that every time we place a bet, if we win, we know that we have a profit of 10 rands. Okay, if we place 11 rands, then we have a profit of 9 rands. So yeah, what did we play? Blue less than, I think that's a lose. Yeah, it is a lose. All right, let's double this up to 24 rands, and then blue more than 2.5. I hope you guys get why I moved from 11 rands to 12 rands there. Okay, we tried blue more than 2.5 this time. and yes, so that is 67 rands. Remember, we aim to get to 90 rands. Start afresh, 12 rands. Blue dice more than 3.5. We should have 3090 rands by the end of the video. Thank you for the support, guys. Of course, the channel is growing slowly but surely. Thank you for everyone who has subscribed, and for the comments, of course. They bring much needed motivation. Okay, all right, that was a win. Blue Modern again, almost there, almost there. I know some of you guys will think I'm being a coward, but yeah, I think we should aim for being safe, okay, than spending all our money we've worked so hard for. Okay, so we're up to 3088 runs, so that means we are just 2 runs short. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and place 12 runs again on blue, being more than 3.5. Okay, hopefully this goes in and we end the video at 7 minutes. Let's see, blue modern, no. All right, so blue is not more than 3.5 dice games. Let's double up to 24. I'm gonna try blue less than 3.5. Okay, all right, let's try and see. Blue less than, hopefully. Less than for blue, no. 48 runs. Blue modern 12.5. all right, 8 minutes into the video. All right, hopefully this one is what we are looking for. Blue modern, and no. Okay, that's a bit defeating. Should we change to red? All right, 96 runs, blue less than 3.5. Let's see. Less than, please, for blue. No, again. I thought about changing to red. They would have won, but we still decided to stick with blue, and it did not work out. Okay, so if we double that up, blue modern, we're over 9 minutes now into the video. Come on, blue modern. Okay, finally, and we actually moved back. Okay, remember we were at 3088 runs. Now we're at 3081 runs. Okay, let me go against my rules and then go for red less than 3.5. We haven't played red at all today, so hopefully red is a showstopper today. Red less than, let's see, and no. Okay, let's try red more and go for 24 reds. Let's try red more than 3.5. Guys, I wanna end the video. It all depends on this red modern. No. Okay. What are we going to go for now? Okay, let's try blue less than 3.5. We were just 2 runs short. Now we're on a new roller coaster. Maybe we should have just left it at 2 runs. Okay, we've tried blue less than, let's see, and finally no, we're back at 88 runs. All right, no biggie. 12 runs again, blue less than 3.5. So much work for just 2 runs. Okay, blue less than, hopefully this is the one. It is the one. Okay, so we're up to 3,099 rands. Okay, we will stop the video here. I thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for your support. Remember to subscribe and like the videos. Thank you guys.